Hello darlings, welcome to Fast Fit, Chanel that watched by strong-minded people. Hope you having a good day, but if you not, you gotta enjoy the rest of the day. So are you ready? Let's get started. Our topic is intermittent fasting. So what is it? It is a period that you can consume caloric foods, and in other periods you can consume only non-caloric things like a coffee and tea. Most popular type is 8 to 16 period. In this you can eat calories only in 8 hours. Other 16 hours you cannot consume calories. So why people do this? One of them is while fasting period. All sorts of our body changes, it optimizes our hormones, genes, and also has important cellular repair processes. One of the main reasons of doing fasting is that it is really simple to burn fat with intermittent fasting. While fasting, we having increases in human growth hormone, getting significant reductions in insulin levels and blood sugar. There is also evidence that intermittent fasting helps you live longer. But my favorite is that it makes your life simpler. You don't have to think about your meals all day. So that's it. Now you know intermittent fasting diet. If you enjoyed the video or supporting this, like it. For more videos, subscribe to the channel. Also write